So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication in Docusign. So firstly, log into Docusign, then click your profile image in the top right corner and select Manage Profile. Select the Privacy and Security tab from the left menu and enter your password if prompted. Under the Minimum Requirements section, click Get Started to verify a secondary backup layer. You can choose phone number or a secondary email. Now, to bypass manual code entry, click Add Advanced Authentication Layer like Authenticator app or security keys. Scroll down to the Login Security section and switch the two-step verification toggle to On to fully activate your security shield. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.